Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you're here today. So last video I talked about my luxury handbag collection, and then it got me thinking to do a what's in my bag in my Eva bag because a ton of you guys had requested it, but also to show you how you can wear this bag and how to fit a lot of things inside of a small clutch purse like this, because I know that we as women have a lot of things to carry. So I tried to think of the best way to compartmentalize everything and try to get your essentials in a small little bag like this. So if that's something that you feel like you're interested in, then please keep watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I know I didn't post a video on Monday, but I was just spending time with my family and my friends. So I'm so sorry about that. And I just got back from Chiapas, Mexico. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I went away for a week last week to Chiapas, Mexico from the 25th to the 31st. And it was one of the most incredible experiences. I lost my voice there, and I think I'm getting a little bit of a cold. So that's why my voice sounds a little bit different. So I'm sorry about that in advance. But that's not the point of today's video. Let's just get started and show you guys the different ways I wear this bag, what's inside of this bag, how to put a ton of stuff in this little bag here. So yeah, let's just get started. So this bag comes with a crossbody strap like this. I do wear it with this, and I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit how to convert this into a belt bag, crossbody, short underarm bag, all that good stuff. So let's just go ahead and actually open up this bag. This bag opens up like butter. I love the zipper on this bag. And as you can see, it looks fairly organized. It doesn't seem like I carry a ton of stuff in here. Actually, I've been able to fit a lot of stuff in here just because of like the method that I've been carrying my items. So I'm gonna pull out like my wallet, I guess. And if you guys saw my previous one of my previous videos, it's a build my 2019 planner with me video. You guys would know that my wallet is actually this Louis Vuitton PM monogrammed kind of agenda. And I did carry this as I was traveling to Chiapas. I carried my passport in here. This little situation was also in here. My credit cards were all filed in here. But when I carry a small clutch or purse like this, I like to kind of put everything inside of something like this. It keeps it flat. Now this I got from a website called C'est Sa Vie. You can get 10% off with the code Inmyseams. And I carry some cash in here. I carry my credit cards in here and my driver's license as well. So this little kind of like clear Ziploc situation is a really good way for me personally. It keeps everything super slim and really thin. I know there's credit card wallets out there, and as much as I love credit card wallets, I do find them slightly bulky. So this is perfect because it goes in and out of my actual wallet, which is, this is what I like to carry if I'm carrying a larger purse or tote. I'm sure there's tons of other options. You could probably honestly use a Ziploc bag as well, but I don't know. I like it like this. I don't mind keeping it like this. So just like to toss that in there. And then let's go into the meat and potatoes of the bag. So I actually carry a smaller purse inside of this purse. Now this I got in some store in Korea, but I know that there's tons of pouches in this kind of size and style. Now the reason I recommend getting a pouch like this is because it's kind of long. It looks like almost like a wallet, but it's long and it stays really slim. It's pretty thin for the most part. You want to get something that's going to be easily slid in and out of this bag. I have other pouches that are much bigger and much bulkier that wouldn't really fit. So I can actually carry a fairly good amount of like products and stuff in here. The first thing are my AirPods. I take phone calls on this. I listen to music on this. I travel with this. Like, I love my AirPods so much. The next thing I have in here are my lip products that I wear for the day. So right now I have my Marc Jacobs Nudist lip liner and my Hollywood Lips in Seduction by Charlotte Tilbury. And these are just in here for touch-ups. I'll tell you guys right now, I can definitely fit a lot more in here if I wanted to. The only reason that I don't is because of the weight. I don't want to keep weighing this down. But I also keep some eye drops in here as well. I have really, really dry eyes. I also wear contacts, so they tend to get really dry and irritated. So I like to just drop a few drops in here and carry this inside of my little pouch situation. And then I like to keep a pen in here just because you never know like when you'll need a pen. I like knowing that I have a pen in my purse at all times. So my keys were originally on this Henry Bendel like this thing, but because like I don't actually have to like stick my key in the ignition and then like turn my car on, I can just press start button for my car. I like to just carry the key fob on its own and toss it in here. That makes it super lightweight. It doesn't make it really bulky for me either. And in the front pocket I carry a panty liner just because you never know what's gonna happen. If somebody else needs one, I like to just carry this for safety, you know, even if it's not my time of the month. I like carrying band-aids because sometimes I get paper cuts or blisters, or like my the back of my heels hurt from my shoes, so I like to carry a band-aid, and you never know who's gonna need a band-aid as well, so I like to just carry that. I have some eyelash glue and some tweezers, so I think tweezers are an essential in anybody's purse just because you have no idea what's gonna happen, especially if you wear eyelashes every day like I do. I like to carry my lash glue and my tweezers because there's times where my lashes will just pop right off. Sometimes I have a stray hair or something that I need to just get rid of, so I like to carry these two. It's definitely essential in my purses. I will carry some hair ties and a bobby pin, just because when I eat I like to pull my hair back, especially if I have lip gloss on or anything like that. So that is what's inside of this little pouch here. Like I said, I can fit more in here if I wanted to. It's not full at all. I could definitely fit a couple more things in here. But my biggest tip when it comes to like packing your items in a small little clutch is to do kind of like what I did, like carry one band-aid or one panty liner or one stick of gum or a couple of bobby pins. Like don't try to carry the whole pack of gum or like the whole pack of something else, just because I think that's what makes your bags really heavy or really bulky. So try your best to kind of pull things out of whatever bigger packaging it is and then just carry it in a smaller clutch like this. Now I want to show you guys how I wear this bag. A lot of you guys were asking how I do that in my luxury handbag collection video, but maybe you guys have a bag that's kind of similar to this one. It's got D-rings on the sides. You can unclasp this little situation, and maybe you can add like different crossbody straps or this and that. So now I want to show you guys how I style up this bag and the different ways I can wear it. So the first way is just by wearing the chain on its own. I don't actually wear it this way as much as I do the other ways, like as a belt bag or crossbody, but I do think that this look is really cute if you're just wearing a dress or you're going on a date night, or even just like jeans and a shirt. And obviously you just pull the chain over to the other side to the D-ring and it creates this look. It's a really simple, easy method, but let's move on to the next one. So here I am showing you how to wear this as a belt bag with the chain going across it if you like that look. So I'm just pulling the crossbody strap and wrapping it around my waist twice and then pulling it over to the other D-ring. You kind of have to like move it and finesse it around a little bit, but the tan crossbody strap definitely adds for a little bit more color and it's more noticeable that you're wearing it as a belt bag. I took my phone out because I felt like it was a little bit kind of bulky, I guess, and it wasn't wrapping around my waist as good. But this is one of the ways I like to wear it. Obviously, there's a little bit of give, as you can see, so if I were wearing a sweater dress or something a little bit chunkier, it would definitely fit a little bit better. But this is what I would do if I want the chain to show. This next look is a belt bag style as well, but this one is just by wrapping the chain around your waist and not using the crossbody strap at all. I find this one to be a little bit tighter around my waist, so I would recommend it to anyone who has a smaller waist size than I am, and I'm going to write my waistline on the screen here. But I definitely think this look is cute with like a jumpsuit or anything that you want your waist to just kind of show a little bit more. Now the size of this is a little bit bigger than what I prefer because my frame is quite small, but I think depending on your body type, this look could be really cute. So the next method is the long crossbody look. Now this crossbody is really long. I've seen other reviews and videos of this bag on other people and they've all kind of come to a consensus that the strap is really, really long. So if you're taller, you have a taller torso, then I think this would kind of even out a little bit better. But like I said, I don't really wear it in this fashion as a crossbody as much as I do in the next one, which I will show you. You can also just wear it one shoulder, like on your side too. That's an option to wear it long. Now I'm going to link the video to the person who showed me this method first because I want to give credit where credit is due. But she pretty much hooked one of the crossbody straps on the left side D-ring, and then she pulls it through underneath like the tag almost, and pulls it all the way through and then hooks it onto the same side. So we're not actually clasping anything on the right side of the bag. It still closes really, really well. It shortens the strap by a lot, and the chain hangs out, which is a really cute look too. You don't have to have it with the chain hanging out. You can definitely tuck it into the bag, but this is how much shorter it looks when it's on me, and it hits my hips very well. I typically wear this bag on this kind of level or look because it's so much easier for me, and it's not all the way down my thigh. I know that the Chanel bags, like the wallet on chains, are also pretty long too, so I'm sure you can figure out a way to finesse it and make it shorter, similar to the way that I did it here. But that is the end of today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch another one of my videos, then just click right here and subscribe to my channel on the right there. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your year and your day, and I will talk to you guys all in my Friday's video. Bye!